హలో అండి. వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు షిఖాస్ ఫ్యాబ్. అందరికీ నమస్కారం. అందరూ మా మిక్స్ అండ్ మ్యాచ్ అండ్ ప్యాచ్ కాన్సెప్ట్‌ని మ్యాచ్ కుంటున్నారు. కాబట్టి మన షిఖాస్ ఫ్యాబ్ మళ్ళీ కొత్త కలెక్షన్ తో రెడీగా ఉంది. ఈ సారీస్‌లో మేము కలంకారీ ప్యాచ్ పళ్ళు కాన్సెప్ట్‌లో ఇచ్చాము. అండ్ ఎడ్జ్ ఫినిషింగ్ కూడా కలంకారీ ప్యాచ్‌తో చేసాము. అండ్ ఈ సారీస్‌కి హ్యాండ్ వోవెన్ బ్లౌజ్ విత్ కలంకారీ స్లీవ్స్ మీద ఇచ్చాము. ఇది చాలా మంచి మిక్స్ అండ్ మ్యాచ్ ఆఫ్ డిఫరెంట్ ఫ్యాబ్రిక్స్. ప్రింటింగ్ కూడా చాలా సింపుల్ అండ్ స్టైలిష్గా చేసాము. ఈ కలెక్షన్లో 2 డిజైన్ కాన్సెప్ట్ చేసాము. ఈ డిజైన్లో 5 కలర్ కాంబినేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో టోటల్గా 10 కలర్స్ అండ్ డిజైన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. This is the first saree what I am wearing. In this also we have 5 color combinations. As I told, this is a very nice mix and match of patchwork saree. See, this we have done a kalamkari patch. Actually, earlier also we have done the same concept, and we got a very good response. So, based on the same theme, we have done this collection again. So, this is the corner patch of the pallu. What we have done, it's a kalamkari patch, and to give it a edge, we have given this kinari to give it a finished look. Pallu, you can see it's a cross print pallu, very nicely done. So we have done a mix and match of these dots and traditional block, so to give it a very stylish look. And blouse in this, all these blouses are woven blouse and with a this patch of kalamkari, so it is giving a complete mix and match look of this saree. So we have 5 colors in this. This is beige and blue. Next color in this is rust. In this mostly we have taken the these traditional colors because we are using this kalamkari patch. Next one is this, see, you can see this one, this black rust printing is with black and beige. All the printing is same, the color combinations are different. In this, the blouse what we have taken is black. See, this is the blouse and with the same patchwork on hand. So rust and black, all the sarees are very nicely done. Again, next combination is this biscuit color, or you can call it light brown color also, and the mix and match of this green color. This is the blouse, this is the pallu, and sari with this big buta. Sari is going to be like this. All these saris price range is 1950. Now the next color, again a traditional color. This is the pallu with this maroon color patch on that, and blouse again matching with that beige and maroon. Printing is done as per the matching of the sari. This is the body. For more details, you can visit our website. These saris are available on website, or you can just take the screenshot of these saris and send it to us. We can deliver to on your given address. Then the next color, this is also again a very nice color combination. This is methi yellow, and the patch is this black and methi yellow and maroon touch of methi yellow. This is the pink color blouse with this yellow stripes, pallu, and the body with a big buta like this. So this is yellow and pink combination. Now in this, these are the 5 colors. The next concept, same thing with the kalamkari patch at the corner, but the printing design is different. This is again, see, you can see this is rust blouse, sari like this yellow, and the printing is different. This is the printing. This is like skirt model. These will come at the down and highlighted with this small buta, and the pallu with the stripes. This is again the mix and match of traditional and contemporary. The price is 1950. Now the next color. This is a little pastel color for summers. Patchwork, again you can see the patchwork. This is with a tinge of this green color, so we have taken the green sari. This is going to be the pallu with the cross stripes, sari with the skirt model, this stylish block print, and the blouse in this is this grayish blue. This is the blouse. Again the same price, 1950. Now black, all time favorite for everyone. This is black and pink. You can see a touch of pink on this patchwork. This is a little maroonish and pink, peach pink color. This is the pallu, similar matching to this saree, and a edge, this to give it a finished look. And the blouse in this is this pink color. with the yellow stripe. Now next color, red. Mostly all we have taken a traditional colors only in this, because the kalamkari theme is traditional. So you can see this patch also highlighting this sari, cream and red color. This is the pallu. Blouse is this bottle green with beige stripes, woven blouse. Pallu like this, and this is the body, red and bottle green. Now the next color in this is grey. Again the patch, you can see it is highlighting this sari, cream and blue touch, and the printing is with this beige and blue. This is a pallu. Sari is like this, down that skirt model, and grey with the combination with blue. So all these saris are available on website, or we have 2 stores in Hyderabad, Raghavendra Colony. You can visit any of us, any of these stores, or you can just take a screenshot of these saris and send it to us on the given number, and we can deliver it to your address. Please do visit our store or website. Thank you.